Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we have something that's not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective. The Remington Solar 20-watt roof mount solar attic fan from the Round series. This solar-powered attic fan is designed to keep your attic and home cooler while reducing your energy bills. Stick around as we delve into the features, benefits, and installation process of this fantastic product. The Remington Solar 20-watt roof mount solar attic fan is a game-changer in the world of attic ventilation. It's designed to cool your attic, improve your HVAC system's performance, and lower your energy bills, all powered by the sun. Let's take a closer look at what makes this attic fan stand out. First, let's talk about some key features and benefits of this product. The Remington Solar Attic Fan helps reduce your energy bills by improving airflow in your attic, keeping your home cooler during the summer months. It's powered by free solar energy, which means it operates without using electricity, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. This attic fan fights moisture damage, which can be a significant problem for your home's value and your family's health. It includes a humidistat and thermostat that automatically adjust airflow based on your attic's needs. You can also use a hybrid adapter to run it at night. The brushless motor extends the fan's lifespan and operates quietly. Plus, it's hail and weather resistant. Installing this fan is a breeze, and it comes with an extra large flashing for 0 leaks. Whether you want to cool your attic, shed, RV, or any other space, this solar attic fan is versatile and effective. Remington Solar is so confident in their product that they offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a limited 15-year warranty. Now, let's talk about the installation process. Installing the Remington Solar Attic Fan is straightforward, but we recommend following the provided user guide, PDF, for detailed instructions. Here's a general overview. Select the best spot on your roof for optimal sun exposure. Cut an opening in your roof that matches the fan's dimensions. Mount the fan and secure it in place. Connect the solar panel to the fan unit. Ensure there are no leaks by using the included flashing and sealing any gaps. If you're looking for the best solar attic fan on the market, the Remington Solar Attic Fan is a top contender. Check out the link in the description below to get yours and start enjoying the benefits of a cooler, more energy-efficient home. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.